it is me and Renegade here. I thought it'd be fun to play a game of which camera in the Canon R series is full frame, which one's ASPC. And I asked ChatGPT to make the list up for me. It was like, I ain't got that data past 2021, dog. So I just typed it out on the phone, the camera models I can remember, and then try to answer the questions. Let's play along. Renee, you playing too? You wanna play along? You're a Sony guy, what? Starting with the Canon R, Canon's first attempt at mirrorless, full frame. The RP, full frame. The R3, APS-C. The R5 plus R5C, full. R6 full. R7 crop, I think. R8 full. R10 APS-C. R50 APS-C. Now, the results via Canon's website, the R8 is full frame. The R50 APS-C, R6 Mark II, and the R6 is going to be a full frame camera. The R7 is actually APS-C. I think I said that. The R10 is APS-C. The R5C, I can't remember the name of. That's going to be a full frame. Yeah. The R3, I got wrong. I thought that was crop, probably because the 24.1 megapixel sensor is actually full frame. The R5 is full frame. The RP full frame. R and the C70 I completely forgot was in existence. So that has been full frame or APS-C. Now for every Canon camera, ChatGPT. I really don't have much fun with this video.